Are you looking for easy and healthy meal ideas for diabetes? Look no further. Here are 5 diabetic-friendly recipes to help you maintain a healthier lifestyle. First up, we have a delicious grilled chicken salad. Simply marinate chicken breast in olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs, then grill it to perfection. Toss with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette for a satisfying meal. Next, try our cauliflower rice stir-fry. Replace regular rice with cauliflower rice for a low-carb alternative. Stir-fry with your favorite vegetables, lean protein, and soy sauce for a tasty and nutritious dish. For a hearty breakfast option, whip up some overnight oats. Combine oats, almond milk, chia seeds, and berries in a jar and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, top it with nuts or seeds for added crunch. Craving pasta? Opt for zucchini noodles instead. Spiralize zucchini into noodles, then sauté with garlic, olive oil, and cherry tomatoes. Finish with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for a guilt-free pasta alternative. And lastly, don't forget about snacks. Keep some Greek yogurt and berries on hand for a quick and satisfying treat. The protein in the yogurt will help keep you full and satisfied. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipe ideas.